Have you ever wondered why a dog ignores an entire crowd but suddenly walks straight toward one person? Why a cow keeps returning to the same human every day? Why a horse seems instantly comfortable around someone it has never met before? Or why a cat chooses to sit beside one person while avoiding everyone else in the room? These moments seem mysterious, but they all point to one fascinating question. Why do animals keep coming near certain humans while avoiding others? The answer is rooted in animal psychology, survival instincts, trust, and the incredible ability animals have to read human behavior. One of the strangest patterns people notice is that some individuals seem to attract animals naturally. Wherever they go, dogs approach them, cats follow them, horses relax around them, and even shy animals appear less fearful in their presence. Many people assume this happens because those humans have a special gift or some kind of magical connection with animals. However, science suggests something far more interesting. Animals spend their lives making decisions about safety. Unlike humans, they cannot depend on language, so they rely on observation. Every movement, expression, posture, and behavior sends information. The moment an animal sees a human, it begins evaluating whether that person is safe or dangerous. Animals are remarkably skilled at reading body language. A person who moves calmly and predictably often appears less threatening. In contrast, someone who moves abruptly, acts aggressively, or appears tense may trigger caution. Dogs, horses, cows, rabbits, deer, and many other animals are constantly monitoring the behavior of those around them. To them, body language is a form of communication. They may not understand words, but they understand actions. This is one reason why animals often approach certain humans while avoiding others. The difference may be invisible to people, but it is obvious to the animal. Trust is another major piece of the puzzle. In animal psychology, trust develops through repeated positive experiences. If an animal repeatedly encounters a person who behaves gently and never causes harm, that animal begins forming positive associations. Fear gradually decreases while confidence increases. Eventually, the animal may actively seek out that person. This process can be seen in dogs that become attached to rescuers, horses that willingly approach trusted handlers, and cows that recognize and return to people who consistently treat them kindly. Animals remember experiences, and those memories influence future decisions. Many people believe animals only approach humans because they expect food. While food can certainly attract animals, it does not explain every situation. Around the world, countless animals continue seeking out specific humans, even when no food is involved. Dogs wait for their owners at doors. Horses walk toward familiar caretakers from across large fields. Elephants have been observed recognizing and responding positively to humans who helped them years earlier. Dolphins have repeatedly approached certain people during interactions in the wild. These behaviors suggest that animals value more than simple rewards. They value familiarity, trust, and positive social experiences. Another reason animals keep returning to certain humans involves emotional awareness. Animals may not understand emotions exactly as humans do, but they are highly sensitive to the physical signals emotions create. Calm people move differently than anxious people. Confident people behave differently than fearful people. Animals notice changes in posture, movement speed, muscle tension, facial expressions, and vocal tones. A relaxed person often appears predictable and safe. A stressed or aggressive person may appear unpredictable. Since survival depends on making accurate judgments, animals pay close attention to these signals. Scientific research continues to reveal how powerful human-animal bonds can become. Studies involving dogs, horses, and other social animals suggest that many species can recognize familiar humans, remember past interactions, and respond to emotional cues. These abilities help animals identify individuals they can trust. Over time, positive interactions strengthen the bond, making animals more likely to approach, follow, watch, or remain near those people. Real-life examples can be seen everywhere. A cow repeatedly visits a farmer who has treated it kindly for years. A horse lowers its guard around a trusted rider. A rescued dog never forgets the person who saved it. An elephant remembers a caretaker long after they have been separated. A rabbit approaches a patient human while hiding from louder, more intimidating people. In each case, the same psychological principles are at work: safety, trust, memory, and positive experience. Many myths claim that animals are attracted to supernatural powers or mysterious energies. While these ideas are popular, science provides a more realistic explanation. Animals are simply extraordinary observers. They notice details that humans often miss. What appears magical is usually the result of body language, emotional signals, past experiences, and trust building over time. So, why do animals keep coming near certain humans? The answer is that animals are constantly searching for safety. They approach people who appear calm, trustworthy, predictable, and kind. They remember those who have treated them well. They learn from experience. They form emotional associations. And when an animal repeatedly returns to the same human, it is often showing that a powerful sense of trust has been created. In the end, animals do not choose humans randomly. They choose the people who make them feel safe, understood, and secure. That is the real reason some animals keep coming back again and again.